Ever seen this guy? He's made a few successful trades, and now he thinks he's the king of the market, ready to conquer Wall Street from his bedroom. He looks at this complex chart and sees dollar signs, not data. He's standing on top of a mountain, but he doesn't realize it's not Mount Everest, it's Mount Stupid. This is a classic case of the Dunning-Kruger effect in action. It's a cognitive bias where people with low ability at a task overestimate their ability. In trading, this is incredibly common. You start out, you learn a few basic patterns, you win a couple of trades thanks to sheer luck, and your brain floods with dopamine. You think, wow, I'm a natural at this. All those so-called experts just overcomplicate things. You've just climbed to the first peak on the Dunning-Kruger curve, the peak of inflated expectations. Your confidence is at an all-time high, but your actual competence? It's near rock bottom. You feel invincible, like you've found the Holy Grail. The market seems simple, and you wonder why everyone else finds it so hard. This is the most dangerous stage for any trader, because what happens next is almost inevitable. Fueled by overconfidence, you start taking bigger risks. You increase your position sizes, ignore your stop losses, and chase every hot tip you hear. You're not trading your plan anymore. You're gambling on your ego. You might see a montage of flashy wins, but behind the scenes, the foundation is cracking. You're one bad trade away from disaster. And then, it happens. The market does something you didn't expect. One loss turns into two, then three. You try to revenge trade to win it all back, but you just dig the hole deeper. Your account balance plummets. This is the blow-up. It's the painful, humbling moment when the market forces you to realize you know absolutely nothing. Your confidence shatters, and you fall off Mount Stupid, tumbling all the way down into the valley of despair. This is where most aspiring traders quit, and honestly, no one could blame them. The valley of despair is a miserable place. You feel defeated, stupid, and angry. You question everything. Is trading even possible? Was it all just a scam? Your confidence is gone, and you're faced with a choice. Give up, or start the real journey. If you choose to stay, something shifts. You realize there are no shortcuts. You start again, but this time with humility. You dive deep into risk management, market psychology, and strategy development. You spend countless hours studying charts, not for quick profits, but for genuine understanding. You accept that losses are part of the game and learn from every single one. You're no longer looking for a magic formula. You're building a robust process. This is the slow, arduous climb up the slope of enlightenment. It's not as exciting as that first dopamine-fueled ascent, but it's real. Your confidence starts to rebuild, but this time it's different. It's not based on ignorance and luck. It's grounded in genuine skill and experience. You know what you know, and more importantly, you know what you don't know. You become a student of the market forever. The goal isn't to get back to that initial peak of overconfidence. The goal is to reach the plateau of sustainability, a place where your confidence is aligned with your competence. You understand the markets are complex and unpredictable. You respect risk. You focus on consistency, not on hitting home runs. You accept that you will never know everything, and that's okay. The learning never stops. So if you're just starting out and feeling like a trading genius, take a moment. Be aware of Mount Stupid. True success in this game isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's about having the humility to admit you're not, and the discipline to keep learning every single day. That's how you don't just survive in the market, you thrive. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on becoming a better, more mindful trader. See you in the next video.